What's up, everybody? Today we're going to test the myth that dimpling your car will get better MPG. Dimpled like a golf ball. I'm going to use my dimpling tool right here to do so, and we're going to go test the MPG by driving tonight. So here we go. I'm going to dimple it. That's so much effort. All right, now that we've dimpled the car, we'll go out and fill it with gas so that we can measure our MPG. Hey everybody, just filled up with gas here, 10.76 gallons. It's full, good to go for the road test. We're gonna go drive it all night long. We'll come back to the gas station, fill it up, and see how we did. What's up, everybody? We've driven about 226 miles. We've been out here driving for hours to test this for you. Now I'm gonna fill it up with gas, and we'll see how we did. Remember, this car only got about 23, 25 miles per gallon. So, we'll see what we got. All right, that looks like it's it. 5.1 gallons. Come look at this. Come look at this. 5.102 gallons. Now come here and look at this. Look at this. Look at this. All right. Look at that trip. 227.5 miles. That's like 40 plus MPG right there. Now this really works. Now this really works. This really works.